Hello, thanks for watching this video. Open the PSD template in Photoshop. Double-click to edit the Smart Layer Replace. Place a photo on the document. Close the temporary file. Click Save in the dialog window. Set Smart Filters to Authentic Blur. Expand the color processing layer group and select the appropriate layer or combination of layers. The strength of the effect of each layer can be adjusted using the transparency parameter. In the Overlay Effects group, select the textures. You can also transform them or change the transparency to alter the amount of the effect. Next, in the Polaroid Frame Options group, you can add a shadow and options for the old textures on the frame. For more realism, you can add one of the various options for adhesive tapes, which can be easily adjusted in color to match your design. As you can see, it's very high detail. You can also set the background color for the image. Your beautiful Polaroid photo is ready. Now I'll show you how to make a collage of 3 Polaroid shots. At the beginning, put the photo in the Smart layer as well. Adjust the effect component. Select all the layers from the top up to the Replace layer by holding Shift, then in the context menu choose Merge Layers. Open or create a new collage document and drag the layer with the finished image there. Adjust it to the right size. Go back to the template file, open the history and roll back a couple of steps. Then do the same for the other 2 photos, but use different overlays and old textures so they don't repeat. You can also use the Layers Layer Group background options to tone the background of the collage. That's it, your collage of Polaroid shots is ready. Check out other templates from the Photo Time Machine Ultimate Collection.